understand English but freeze when someone speaks to you suddenly. You don't need long sentences, you need short, natural replies. Today I'll teach you everyday and polite English reactions you can start using now. Let's begin. Let's look at everyday English reaction. These are perfect for friends, family and informal talks. Be careful. The first one is be careful. Saudhan. Say be careful when you want to warn someone. For example, be careful, the floor is wet. Otherwise you will fall. Be careful. The second one is no worries. No worries. Koi nahi. Say no worries when something is okay. It means don't stress. It's okay. No worries. For example, sorry, I'm late. And you say no worries. No worries. The next phrase is that's fine. That's fine. ठीक है? That's fine. Say that's fine when you accept something. For example, can we meet tomorrow? And you can reply, that's fine. The fourth one is sounds good. Sounds good. Say sounds good when you agree to a plan. For example, let's talk at 4 p.m. Sounds good. The next phrase is I agree. I agree. मैं सहमत हूँ. Say I agree when you share the same opinion. And the sixth one is exactly. Exactly. बिल्कुल. Say exactly when someone says what you were thinking. Exactly same. The next one is of course. Of course. बिल्कुल. Of course. Say of course when the answer is yes. The next, like say sure thing when you happily accept something. The next one is not really. Not really. नहीं. सही में नहीं. ना. Say not really when you gently disagree. आप सहमत नहीं हैं. The last phrase is I guess so. लगता है मुझे. I guess so. Say I guess so when you are not completely sure. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for daily updates.